Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic pre-registered Peugeot 308 in the Tech Edition specification. So this car comes with a lovely panoramic glass roof, 17-inch alloy wheels, there's tinted rear windows, front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car, the touchscreen features sat-nav, as well as DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. And on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers, cruise control. There's also some great safety features including blind spot detection, speed limit recognition and even park assist. So let's have a look around. This car has the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 130 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox, it's done less than 10 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.